Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tanya and today I'll be showing you how I get these curls, basically my curling routine in this video. So yeah, without further blabbering, just let's get into the video. And wait, and also I've been singing a song in this video. I just want you guys to lip read it and tell me which song it is. And one lucky winner will get a voucher from Nykaa or Myntra. That will be your choice from which you want to get the voucher. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So the first thing that I use is this heat protecting that is from Sportsoft. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm pronouncing it right or not. So it is their Gliss Hair Repair Cares and Protect. So it is a total repair heat protectant and this is for all hair types. So if you have dry hair, normal hair, glossy hair, you can use it. I just love this one. I have emptied this one and I also used to have one from Toni and Guy. It is already over, so I just have this one left with me. So today I'll be using this one. So I'll be applying this one thoroughly in my hair. Downwards because I have my mirror right here. So after applying the heat protecting, I'll be just combing my hair through so that it goes to every part of my hair and also to detangle my hair. Yeah. So now I'll be dividing my hair from my ear lobes. And I will be tying them up. So first step I do is I straighten the above hair and then I go into curling my hair. So first I'll be straightening the upper part, not the whole part because then the curls won't hold. So I straighten my hair till this part and then I curl. So the straightener that I use is from this Philips Selfie straightener. So it is very compact. You can even use it or take it to your traveling destination. I really like this one. It also makes my hair look silky and soft as you see in some time. So yeah, I'll be using this one for now. So I take section by section. So already I have divided my hair into two parts. Now I'll be taking some hair strands. So this much section per se, and then I'll be straightening them up. And I won't go till the bottom part. I will just leave it here. So I will straighten for 1 or 2 times, but sometimes 3, depending if it's straightened or not. And then I'll leave it. And if you already have straight hair, you can skip this part because you only need to do the curling part. So always use a heat protecting, guys. It is very important. It protects your hair from the heat as the name suggests, and also it provides them that strength, and also it helps you to hold your curls for longer. Like, I know heat protectant isn't for that, but I have seen the difference after applying heat protectant. My curls hold for a longer period of time. So you can see the upper part I have straightened it and the lower part is still like same. So now I'll be opening up this part section and I will divide it again. And this is the last time that we divide our hair. All the unstraightened part and I will bring them in front and I will straighten them up. So one more thing, guys, whenever you straighten your hair, just start from the bottom, from the scalp part, and quickly remove it from there so that you don't burn your scalp, because the heat gets too much and the steam, it may burn your scalp and it will damage the hair. So it's better to start from the bottom, but just quickly remove it so you get even straightening all over your hair. bottom part looks unstraightened, but I love this look also because the upper crown part is straightened and this part remains wavy. I just love this look. It is so gorgeous. It looks so pretty with so many outfits. But I want to show you how I curl my hair in my curling routine. So I'll be curling it further. So yeah, now let's get started with the curling part. So the curling wand I use, the curling iron or curling wand that I use is from a normal generic company. This is not from any brand. I just bought it. Me and my sister actually bought it at the last moment from Lakshmi Nagar market, and because we needed it for the same day, so we brought whatever we got our hands on. So this one is that there is no name of the company written on it, but I just love this so much. It is so good. It has been like 2 to 3 years with this. No, not 2 to 3 years. Yeah, but 1 year with this one. But it is so good. I swear you guys, this one is really amazing. You don't need to get a curling wand from a company only. This was even cheap. I don't remember the price now. I'm so sorry you guys. If I find something similar to this, I will definitely link it down in the description box. It was cheap and it works so good, so amazingly. I just love it and I can't stop using it. I use it on a very regular basis, and no time soon I'm going to switch this up. I just really love it and I just hope that it doesn't break or it doesn't get damaged. So yeah, now let's get started with our curling part. So for curling my hair, I just divide my hair in 2 sections like that, and then I take a section of hair from one side. So now the section of hair depends on you. If you want small and thick curls, basically small, petite and tight curls, you have to go for smaller strands. So it will take you more time, but if you want normal curls, you can go for this much amount, and if you want even thicker curls just for the wavy hair, then you can go for even a more thicker amount. So I'll be going for this one. Then I keep it in the middle part because I don't like my hair to get curled from this side. I just keep it in the middle part and then I open it. So it would be suggested if you wear gloves with this because it may burn your hand if you are not like regular with this thing and you don't know how to curl your hair. So just wear any gloves for this one, not any gloves, a cotton based gloves, and also you can leave this much amount of hair so that you don't burn your hand. But I'm a pro with this, so I don't really burn my hand ever, and I just use it like that. As you can see, this is how it curls my hair. So this one looks really small, but let's just get done with all the hair and then you'll see the difference. There are many ways people do it. I just start from front and then I rotate it. Some people do it from the back side and then rotate it. So there are like 2 ways. It's like pulling away from your hair, from your face and towards your face. So the one I do is from away my face. Also, I don't like very tight curls, so I just leave it like that. Once it gets curled, I just leave it from the wand. If you like tight curls like the way they are in the wand, I'll just tell you the trick. So let it curl your hair for like 20 to 30 seconds. And then when you leave, just take it out in your hand and hold it like this. So till it gets a little bit cold, just hold it like this. And after it gets a little bit cold, just leave it. So you see, it doesn't like pulls your hair like that, it keeps it in place like this. So now you can see the difference. It definitely makes your hair look a bit short, but I love the bounce and everything that it gives. So the next thing that I use is this setting spray. So this one is from Gatsby, their set and keep spray. So I have again lost the cap as I usually do. And what I do is I don't like too much of it because I like to play with my curls. so I don't spray too much of it because I like to play with my curls even after they get done. So I don't let it set like this only. So just spray a little bit. Okay, so it stays in place. Just that much. I don't like a lot. And I will let it set for some time. So this is how my hair looks after curling and after setting them, and this will stay probably for a while. So until I wash my hair, they won't open up, and I really love this routine. It is very simple. So the process may look a bit hectic, but it gets easier as you keep on doing it. And this is very simple routine. You don't have need to have a lot of products. You can skip the setting spray, but I would prefer don't skip the heat protectant part. Also, if you don't have heat protectant for now, you can definitely apply aloe vera gel. So before doing your hair, just take some aloe vera gel in your hands, rub it in your palms, and then generously apply it on your hair. Leave it for 5-10 minutes to soak them up, and yeah, then you're ready to do your hair without using any heat protectant, because aloe vera, first thing, it works as a heat protectant, and secondly, it also helps you repair your hair at the same time. So it's a very good situation. You can definitely use it. So yeah, do comment down below and about the song that I've been singing, and one lucky winner, as I said, will get the voucher. And also do leave your Insta handle or your mail ID. And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.